When children have special needs, parents need to adjust. This is especially true when it comes to finances. Child maintenance calculations can be adjusted if a child has a long-term illness or disability. These adjustments are called ROC variations. ROC stands for Relevant Other Child. These variations help ensure the child's needs are met. Parents need to understand these variations. This guide will explain what ROC variations are and how they work. It will also explain what qualifies as a long-term illness or disability. ROC variations are changes made to child maintenance payments. They recognize the extra costs of caring for a child with a long-term illness or disability that lives with the paying parent. These variations ensure both parents contribute fairly to the child's needs. Not all illnesses or disabilities qualify as a ROC variation. The condition must be long-term. This means it's expected to last at least 12 months. It could also mean a condition lasting the child's entire life, even if less than 12 months. A long-term illness is a serious medical condition. It significantly impacts a child's life for a prolonged period. A disability is a physical or mental impairment. It substantially limits a child's ability to perform everyday activities. Several factors determine if a child's condition qualifies. Receiving certain benefits is one indicator. These benefits include personal independence payment, or PIP, and disability living allowance, or DLA. Being eligible for these benefits, even if on hold, also counts. Additionally, being registered blind or recently recovering from blindness qualifies. Caring for a child with a disability often comes with extra costs. Variations will help to reduce some of these costs. These costs can include specialized medical equipment or therapy sessions. But if the equipment or therapy can be provided by the NHS, the variation will be rejected. Variations can be for personal care and communication needs, mobility aids and domestic help, home adaptations, medical equipment not available on the NHS, heating and clothing or laundry expenses related to the child's care, special diets or rehabilitation. It's important to keep detailed records of all expenses related to the child's condition. This helps when applying for variations. Remember, not all things qualify, but until you apply, nothing will be considered. Please like and subscribe if this video has been helpful.